Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to learn microgreens business step by step. Begin by choosing 3 to 5 varieties and learning each crop's seed-to-harvest timing and light needs. Set a reliable routine for seeding, misting, and harvesting so you avoid missed windows. Keep a simple log of inputs, yields, and prices to measure profit per tray and improve decisions as you scale. Start with seed selection and a sterile medium to reduce contamination risks and boost germination. Use consistent light and moderate temperatures to produce uniform, flavorful microgreens that customers love. Develop a flushing and harvesting routine to remove excess salts and deliver fresh product. Record germination rates, tray yields, and time to harvest so you can predict supply and scale production without sacrificing quality or taste. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set hands-free timers, play ambient music, or ask care tips while you tend trays. I find it makes busy seed days more pleasant and efficient. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Validate demand by approaching local restaurants, chefs, and farmers markets with samples and clear pricing. Calculate costs per tray including seeds, medium, labor, packaging, and a fair profit margin to set prices. Build relationships by offering flexible delivery and recipe suggestions that showcase your microgreens. Track repeat orders and customer feedback to refine varieties and packaging as you scale operations sustainably while maintaining consistent quality and reliable delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.